Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give.
Hey, what's up? It's your girl Naya, and I'm finally back with another video. Woo-hoo. And honestly, I wouldn't have been back if I didn't run out of hair last night. And I ran out of hair, so it's a big old hole in the middle, like, of locks I didn't do. And I said, let me show YouTube how I did these, because they're quite cute. I'm in love, and hopefully they last 3 months at least. So I've been gone because y'all ain't giving me love for real, for real. Y'all don't love me, y'all don't watch me, and I just don't be having time. I'm in school and my major is chemistry, boo. I'm in organic chem right now, and it's hard. So, and I really don't be feeling like editing. So yeah, but so this is gonna be probably unedited for the most part. And yeah, so let's just get right into it. I used like 5 packs of this hair in this little color. Get into it, screenshot if you need it. Yep, get into it. I got 1 pack of this like water wave hair. It don't matter, just something, this water wave. I got this in the same color, I think. Same color. Yeah, it has to be the same color, but I've been cutting it in half. That's why I only use 1 pack, because I don't have much hair, boo. I don't have much hair. So I just cut it in half and wrap it like that. I cut it in half and split the halves in another half. You know. But let's just get right into it. So I go ahead and finish. I always loosen up this hole because this is too small for me. So I just work with it first to loosen it up. I already split my half into halves. It's a little tangled, huh? Get my crochet needle. I hope y'all can see this. Loop it through. Jesus. Just do this. I don't know what to say. Just wrap.
cater to you, let me cater to you. I know what you do. I reassure you when you be purpose. I ask you, I challenge me with a bit of what you let me cater to you.
Alright, well, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.